Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to Sego Codes. My name is Omolo Oganda, and today is day 2 of my 30-day series of YouTube videos. And today I want us to discuss something that is how to design an ATS-friendly resume, a resume that should be one page and have all the highlights of the major projects, your background, and your experience with tech. Such a resume is hard to design on a normal word processor like Word, and that's why there's a site that can make it easier for you by just inputting the details, and then it takes care of the formatting and everything else. So yeah, let me show you that so that you can see how that is done in a quick 5-minute video. So this is day 2. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because we have day 3 until day 30. Okay, so just as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how you can do that to get your CV as a one-pager document that can easily go through the ATS resume scanning system. So visit the site, hit here, and then first thing you want to do is to select a template. So once you are here, pick a template. We have different templates. Click on each, and then you can just see what it has and the format. Click on any other template there. Scroll through. We have about 9 templates there. So just choose the one that you think is fit for you, and then pick on that. So in my case, I love this first template. Yeah, it's very minimalistic, as just some uniform formatting and everything. So then just click next, and then your full name, give it there, your email, your phone number, your location, your link if you have a portfolio link, or you can even provide your LinkedIn link, and then click on next. Then here you tell us about your education background. So you have the heading education, then school name, school location, what kind of degree are you taking, the major that you have. If you are graded in terms of GPA, you need to specify it, start date and end date. Yeah, if there's another university or institution, just click on add school, and then it will give you another field to add another school. Click on next, and then your work experience, tell us the company name, the title of your position, job location, start date, end date, and the responsibilities. These responsibilities should be in terms of a list. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can give something like 4 is enough to a summary of what you are doing in your position. Another company name, if there's another company, tell us the name, the title, job location, start and end date, responsibilities that you had. Another company, tell us what you did there, your responsibilities, your position, and everything. Go to the next section where you have now your skills. You can maybe, if you are a front-end developer, tell us your front-end development, the skills that details, or what we call the tools that you used. Name them in a list format separated by a comma. And then another skill, backend development. What do you use for backend? Tell us Node Express, PHP, and anything. Another skill, code management, Git, GitHub, Bitbucket, Jira, Azure. Name them. Another skill. So just click on add skill if you have more skills. Yeah. Then go next. Now we have your projects. If you have projects you've worked on which are hosted online, just name them there, the project name, a brief description of the project, the link to the project, the tools used, and then another project name, the description, the link, the tools used, and everything. Another project, that's how you do it. And just click on add project until you are done with adding your project. But remember, you should ensure that it's one page if that's what is recommended. Go next. Then here we have honors and awards. So under honors and awards, you know what that means. So tell us the award name, the award date, the company or the institution that awarded that gave you the award, and then a summary of the award, and that's it. So once you're done, just click on make, and then it will generate, you see what's happening here, it will generate for you the CV, which you can now download as PDF, as JSON, or even print directly. So as PDF, just click on download, and then that should download my CV in form of PDF. Yeah, sure thing. Now you see how that is simply a one-page document that has the highlights of my professional background, my education, my skills, and my projects. Yeah, so that's how you can easily design your resume. If you have any questions, just comment below and let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Okay, so that was it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the day 3 of our YouTube challenge. That is coming after this. So bye, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Osego Codes signing out.